Hello my dear students, welcome to my computer science class. So students, today we are going to start with the chapter Introduction to HTML and we all use web pages, we all love surfing, internet surfing, and then we come to different websites and different web pages. So today we will learn how these web pages are created. So these web pages are created using a special language. What is that special language? The special language is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So this special language consists of text content. It consists of text content and they have special codes which are called as tags. They are called as tags. Now, this language was developed by a man named Tim Berners-Lee, and he's the same man who has developed World Wide Web also, Hyper HTML also, and URLs and all. So this is the introductory part for HTML. Now let us see what are the different features of HTML. So firstly, HTML is not a case sensitive language. What does it mean? If you are writing the commands in lowercase or uppercase, it will not matter. So it is not case sensitive. Secondly, the spaces and tabs. We use spaces and we use tabs also to give proper spacing between characters, between lines, but it does not affect the appearance of your document unless or until you have given proper tag or command for that. As I have told that HTML consists of text as well as special code which are called as tags. If tags are not there, spaces and tabs will not make any difference in your HTML document. Now, most important thing, the file extension. The file extension for HTML document is .htm or .html. And next, we write HTML. We create this HTML document using text editors like Notepad, Gedit. We can also write in WordPad, MS Word, or any other writer. So let us now start the different parts of HTML. So as I have told, it has special tags. All the text that appears on a web page, the HTML document consists of that text as well as tags which are special instructions that actually give the appearance to your web page, where should be the text, what color of text you want, or whatever all the details are there, it is because of the tags. And how will you identify that it is a tag and not text? These angle brackets. These specific instructions that it tags are enclosed in angle brackets. This is called as angle bracket. Now, most of the tags, they have an opening tag and a closing tag. So these tags appear in pairs. This is the text, and before the text there is a tag, and after the text there is a tag. So the pair is called as opening tag and closing tag. As you can see here, this is the title. So the tag is title tag. It is enclosed inside angle bracket. This is called angle bracket. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. The only difference is the closing tag has a forward slash. This is called as a forward slash just after the angle bracket starts, or just before the text it has a forward slash. But there are few tags which are called as empty tags, and they do not have a closing tag, they have only opening tag. So there are basically two types of tags. So what we have studied till now, all the tags are enclosed in angle brackets. Most of the tags occur in pairs, the opening tag and the closing tag. And how will you identify that this is opening tag and this is closing tag? The closing tag has a forward slash. Now, the tags which consist of both opening tag as well as closing tag, they are called as container tags. They are called as container tags. This one. And the tags which do not have a closing tag, which have only opening tag, they are called as empty tags. So here it is written, what is container tags? Tags that have both starting as well as ending tag are known as container tags. So this HTML is also a tag. This tag is used so that your document, whatever you have written, is should be converted to HTML. Document is the HTML tag. So HTML is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. Now, as I have told, empty tags do not have a closing tag. So BR tag. BR is break tag. When you require a break in your text, or the text starts from the next line, then we use BR tag, and it has only starting tag, no closing tag. Now, attributes. What are these attributes? In few of the tags, we have values to choose out from, like in font. We can change the color of the font. So font is a tag and color is an attribute of that tag. And we write these attributes inside the, it's a good habit to write the attributes inside inverted commas or quotation marks. These are called as quotation marks, and you have to write the attributes inside it. Now there are special characters. These are called as, in HTML, these are called as entities, like the copyright symbol. This is the copyright symbol, and for that there is no keyboard shortcut or keyboard key for this copyright symbol. So what we do, we use an ampersand symbol, that is this and symbol, and after that a semicolon. So we write and, copy, and a semicolon, and it adds a copyright symbol to your web page. Okay. Now, avoiding syntax error. This is very important in case of HTML. If you do a simple spelling mistake, or you forget to give a small symbol like slash symbol, your text will not be displayed properly. So this is called as syntax error. Errors while writing, like you have missed a bracket, or if you have used a wrong bracket, then your HTML will not be displayed properly. So there are different versions of HTML. HTML5 is the latest version. Then we have XHTML also, or Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. This is an alternative language for coding web pages. Now, HTML editors. What is an HTML editor? HTML editor is a document in which it is a text editing program, and it is used to code HTML or to create a web page. The document which we use for writing the HTML code is called as HTML editor. So we have different types of HTML editors. First is text editor. This is the basic type of HTML editors. It allows us to enter the text, to change the text, and they have no advanced features, but yes, a person can use it and can give the specific tags and text to create a HTML document. So for Microsoft Windows, we have the Notepad as a text editor. For Apple Mac computers, we have the TextEdit for writing HTML codes, and for Ubuntu, we have Gedit. Now second type is HTML editors. HTML editor is a little advanced than text editor like the Eclipse and Bluefish. These are dedicated programs to write the HTML codes and they are advanced than text editor. They have codes for color coding. Um, we have menus to insert HTML tags and the spelling checkers. Like a spelling checker is not in text editor, and because of that sometimes small syntax error can give a wrong appearance to your HTML document. Now the third and the most advanced type of text HTML editor is WYSIWYG editor. So WYSIWYG is an acronym. What is an acronym? Like laser is an acronym. The words which appear to be a single word but they are actually abbreviations, and we call it as a single word like laser, but it is actually an abbreviation. What is the abbreviation? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Like that, WYSIWYG is an acronym. And what is the full form of WYSIWYG? The full form is what you see is what you get. And the examples of WYSIWYG editor are Adobe Dreamweaver, Amaya, Adobe's Go Live, or Coffee Cup HTML editor. So these editors, they are a little more advanced than our HTML editors, and they have a graphical user interface, and the user can preview what he is creating. He's creating, and side by side he can view how the web page will appear to others or to him. And in this way the work we can avoid syntax error, we can give a specific appearance to our web page, and simultaneously we can see in the window that whatever tag you have used, whether it is correct or not. Now web browsers for HTML. So what is a web browser? It is a software that displays the web pages. We all know that. So if you are creating an HTML document, it will be displayed in a web browser. So we know there are a number of web browsers like the Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Google Chrome, Opera. All these are different softwares or different web browsers which display the web page. Now there are different steps for creating the web pages. What are those steps? First of all, you have to plan your web page properly. Whatever you want, on which topic you want to create the web page, and you should have a correct idea ki how much content you want to include. So first of all, plan it, then gather information. Accordingly, you have to gather the information like the figures, the diagrams or the images, the text, what you want to include. You have to gather everything in a single folder. Then organize the information. Then sequentially organize it where will the text be displayed, where the images should be put. Everything you have to first organize. Then enter the text. Now start entering the text. Put the text wherever you want the text, type it sequentially, and then use the specific HTML tags inside that document. So this is entering text. After entering all the text and tags, add your images. And after adding images, you have to add specific tags to those images also. Then add hyperlinks. And last step is to publish your web page. So these are the steps how to create your HTML document. So you can view the HTML code in a browser also. You have to start the browser. In the browser, we have view button. Here there is a view button. Inside that view button we have source. If you click on source, HTML code will be displayed. So students, this was all about the introduction of HTML. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you students.